Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best soundbar remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for your home entertainment system. Losing or damaging it can be a real headache. But don't worry, replacing your Samsung soundbar remote control is easier than you think. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to get your soundbar back up and running with a new remote. Number 5. Samsung Soundbar Remote AH59-02733B Replacement. This is a replacement remote control for various Samsung soundbar models. It's designed to work right out of the box, offering a convenient solution for your audio needs. This remote is compatible with many Samsung soundbar models, including HW, K360, HW, KM36C, and more. Please check the full list to ensure it matches your soundbar. No programming is required. Simply insert two new AAA alkaline batteries, and the remote is ready to use. It's that simple. This is not a universal remote. Make sure your soundbar model is listed as compatible before ordering. If it doesn't work, try unplugging your soundbar for a few minutes and then plugging it back in. The remote requires two x 1.5V AAA alkaline batteries, which are not included. Make sure to install fresh batteries for optimal performance. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like. This remote is incredibly easy to set up. You just need to insert batteries, and it's ready to go. If you're tired of complicated setups and just want a simple replacement, this is the one for you. If you have an older Samsung soundbar model, this remote is a great choice. What people say. It's exactly compatible with my surround sound. The size is exactly the same as the OEM, the button functionality. It's the same as the OEM. It works exactly like the OEM. This one works and feels great, and the best part of this replacement remote is the battery is not the circle type but two AAA batteries. No need to program it, just add batteries. Number 4. Replacement Samsung Soundbar Remote AH59-02759A. Is your old remote broken or lost? This replacement remote is the perfect solution. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Samsung soundbar. Forget complicated setups. This remote is ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert batteries, and it's ready to control your soundbar. This remote offers all the same functions as your original. It's made with high-quality materials and designed for comfortable use. Enjoy quick and responsive control. The buttons are flexible, and there's no delay when you press them. It has a fast transmission response time. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. We're here to help you. What we like. This remote boasts a fast response time, ensuring quick and seamless control. It's designed for comfort, making it easy to hold and use for extended periods. If you value responsiveness and ease of use, you'll appreciate this remote's performance. What people say. Works perfectly for my Samsung soundbar. It is smaller than the original one, but it works better than the original one that got chewed up by my wonderful puppy. Just like the original. Number 3. AH81-15047A Samsung Soundbar Remote. Introducing the AH81-15047A Replacement Remote Control. It's designed specifically for your Samsung soundbar, offering seamless control over your audio experience. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Samsung soundbar models. You can easily manage the sound settings with this replacement. Forget about complicated setups. This remote is ready to use right out of the box. Simply insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. This remote control works with models like HW, Q990B, HW, Q930B, and many more. It's the perfect replacement for your original remote. The sub-remote control is AH81-15498A, AH81-15340A, AH81-15439A. Get yours today and enjoy the convenience it brings. What we like. This remote offers broad compatibility with a wide range of Samsung soundbar models. It's ready to use right out of the box, saving you time and hassle. If you have a newer Samsung soundbar, this remote is likely a perfect fit. What people say. Worked immediately. No pairing or such needed. This $8 remote allows me to use the full potential of the Samsung soundbar on my new Samsung TV. Works perfectly with my Samsung Q930C soundbar sound system. Number 2. Samsung Soundbar Q Series Replacement Remote. Tired of struggling with your soundbar remote? This replacement is designed to seamlessly control your Samsung soundbar. It offers a simple and effective way to manage your audio experience. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Samsung Soundbar Q Series models. It works with many 2022 models, ensuring you can easily replace your old remote. Check the model list to confirm compatibility. Forget about complicated setups. This remote is ready to use right out of the box. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and you're ready to go. It's that easy. This remote control supports sub-remote control models AH81-15047A, AH81-15498A, AH81-15439A, AH81-15340A, and AH81-15944A. It's a perfect replacement for your original remote. This remote is compatible with many Samsung soundbar home theater models, including HW B750DZA, HW S60D, and more. It ensures you can control your sound system with ease. The remote requires 2 AAA batteries, which are easy to replace. This ensures that you can quickly get back to enjoying your favorite content. What we like. This remote is designed for the Q Series soundbars, ensuring a perfect match for your system. It's ready to use immediately, without any complicated setup. If you own a Samsung Q Series soundbar, this remote is the ideal replacement. What people say. Bought this as a replacement, and it works perfect. Right out of the box, didn't have to change a thing. The remote is required for pairing the sub on some soundbars. It works just the same as the other, same buttons and shape and size. Number 1. Neuronmart Remote for Samsung HWJ Series Soundbar. This is a replacement remote control. It's designed for Samsung HWJ Series soundbars and home theater systems. It's a perfect solution if yours is lost or broken. This remote requires no setup. Simply install batteries, and it's ready to go. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. This remote is compatible with a wide range of Samsung soundbar models, including HW J355, HW J430, and many more. It also works with various J series soundbars. You don't need to spend time setting it up. Just put in the batteries, and it will work immediately. It's a convenient and hassle-free solution. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you. We want to ensure you have a great experience with the product. What we like. This remote is specifically designed for the J series soundbars. It's ready to use right away, with no setup required. If you have a Samsung J series soundbar, this remote is the perfect replacement. What people say. It has a sleek design, is very easy to use, and the buttons are perfectly responsive. The range is impressive. I can control my TV from across the room without any issues. You can rest assured that if you have one of the soundbars listed, this will work out for you, too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.